When you expect the very best, we provide the very best. We arrive at your home with uniformed trained technicians using powerful truck-mounted equipment. We just run the hoses from the van to the inside of your house. Corner protectors are used to prevent damage to your walls. Pre-spraying detergent is applied to your carpet to loosen the dirt. The pre-spraying detergent is then brushed in your carpet to help to loosen the dirt. The powerful truck-mounted equipment is then used to flush all the dirt, pre-spray detergent out of your carpet so that they are left clean and fresh. With the powerful truck-mounted equipment and a strong vacuum, your carpets dry in hours rather than days. Our technicians are experts at removing stains. And for those stubborn pet stains, no problem using our special equipment to remove those stubborn stains. Furniture is moved, clean under, put back, and put on either styrofoam blocks or plastic tabs. When the cleaning process is finished, your carpet will look clean, smell clean, and ready for that special company or special occasions. Give us a call. We'll provide a free estimate. All that you just saw is included with our normal cleaning price. I know you'll be happy. You have my word on it.